Belle sweet me well unto the ogbonge success wey ECOWAS gbab on top Mali political katakata. Presido Buhari na im talk this one. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don receive ogbonge updates on top Mali political katakata from special envoy plus mediator for the West African country, former Presido Goodluck Jonathan. Im yarn say belle sweet am well unto say the katakata wey be dey shele for the country before don coole. Unto say ogbonge leaders for Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, don handle the matter well. Naija Presido talk this one for State House Abuja, where former Naija Presido and special envoy for Mali, Goodluck Jonathan, for go give am ogbonge update on top Mali political situation. Una go sabi say after military don shook hand put for the katakata wey be dey shele for the country, ECOWAS come talk say make dem create transition government wey civilian go dey lead, make the country for fit return to constitutional order within 12 to 18 months. Goodluck Jonathan yarn say im don almost finish the ogbonge work wey ECOWAS leaders give am, sake of say dem don already inaugurate ogbonge government wey get civilian leadership for Mali. E talk say dem don already swear in the new Presido, Prime Minister, plus ministers, and na 4 portfolio military con get as serving officers. The former Presido still come here and say dem go soon inaugurate the council wey go dey work as parliamentarians, plus say chairman on top ECOWAS wey still be Ghana Presido, Nana Akufo-Addo, go come brief West African leaders formally. This one na the ogbonge informate wey we carry come give una on top with tori for today. As Presido Buhari don yarn say belle sweet am well unto the ogbonge success wey ECOWAS gbab on top Mali political katakata. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate dey come give una. My name na Oyiza Aboriogun from Benin.